Right, we're back with this 2006 Toyota Rav4. We'll be replacing the starter. So let's start. Remove the battery. And there's also bracket. Positive. Oh, I think we need to. We could remove this thing. It's just a hide-in. Oh well. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay, just push it. Go. This one over here. Go. All right. And battery. All right. Great. And this is number 12. Number 12. To number 12. Huh? Oh, there's still a few more there. And you can see it right there. And over there. So that's number 12. So it's connected to this ground. Okay. All right. That's it. All right. Let's remove this. Other one. Go. Should we remove this? Yeah. Let's remove it. And Good. That's so much space. Alright, and then let's remove this one. There you go. Then over here, that's number 12. So yeah, that's number 12. So small wire, thick wire. Then I think this is number 14, right? Alright, so number 14. There you go. Come on. Oh, come on. So to number 14. Alright. Okay. One bolt. First bolt. Second bolt, same size. Now let's remove it. But let's remove this wire over here. It's out on the way. So there's some metal in here that you need to push. Just push like that. This one. This metal. Just push it down. Hello. That's it. Brand new iron 3. It's a brand new one. Look the same. Perfect. Just remove this. Let's put it on. Right, just tighten it. Alright, just make it snug. Don't over tighten it. Alright, that's good enough. Okay. Good. Right, so I'm not gonna show you anymore in installing back all those parts. I'm just gonna install it and then let's start the car. Let's see if it's gonna work. Right, so everything is back. Battery, everything, wire. This one over here. Oopsie. There you go. Now let's start the car. Let's see if we fix the problem, but I'm pretty sure it's the starter. Alright, first start. Alright guys, there you go. That's how you replace the starter for 2006 Toyota Rav4 with a 3.5 liters engine. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today and see you on my next video. Bye bye.